How to hide contacts on WhatsApp. To get started, first of all, open up the WhatsApp application on your phone. You will then be brought to the Chats page. Here, you can view all your chats with friends on WhatsApp. On this page, tap and hold the chat you want to hide and swipe left by moving your finger across the screen from right to left. Then, tap on Archive. Archived chats will remain archived when you receive a new message. Another way to hide the chat is by opening this chat first, and then go to the top and tap on the person's name. Here, you can view the profile information and manage their chat settings. Scroll down and enable Lock Chat to lock and hide this chat on this device. Tap on Continue. You have to use your Face ID to open this chat and read notifications on this device. Locked chats will be kept separate from other chats. Now, tap on OK. You have now successfully locked this chat. Following these steps, you can easily hide contacts on WhatsApp.